Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 7.1 question number 2. The second question is, how many 3-digit number can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if the digits can be repeated? So it is a 3-digit number, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. For even numbers, the ones place can be filled by 2 or 4 or 6. So the number of ways to fill ones place is equal 3. So number of ways to fill ones place is 3, because there are only 3 even numbers, 2, 4 and 6. So to fill ones place digit in 3 ways. Again we have 6 digits because repetition is allowed. So number of ways to fill tens place. So there are 6 ways. Similarly, number of ways to fill hundreds place. So equal 6. So therefore total number of ways equal 6 into 6 into 3. So equal 108 ways. Now question number 3. How many 4-letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet if no letter can be repeated? So there are 4 places, first, second, third, fourth, and first 10 letters of English alphabets A, B, C up to J. So number of ways to fill first place, because there are 10 letters. So number of ways to fill first place equal 10. Repetition is not allowed. So number of ways to fill second place 9. Similarly third place 8 and fourth place 7. So number of ways to fill first place is equal to 10. Similarly, number of ways to fill second place equal 9. Number of ways to fill third place equal 8, and similarly number of ways to fill fourth place equal 7. So total ways, so equal 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, so equal 5040 ways. Now question number 4. How many 5-digit telephone number can we construct using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 and no digit appears more than once? A 5-digit number always start with 67. So there are digits from 0 to 9, because 6 and 7 are filled already. So remove these two numbers. Now remaining digits, so there are 8 remaining digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 9. And vacant places first, second and third, only 3 places are vacant. So number of ways to fill first place So there are 8 ways. Repetition is not allowed. So number of ways to fill second place. So there are 7 ways, and third place are 6 ways. So number of ways to fill second place, so equals 7. Number of ways to fill third place, so equals 6. So total ways, so 8 into 7 into 6, so equal 336 ways. Now question number 5th. A coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? When a coin is tossed once, the number of outcomes is either head or tail. So number of outcomes are 2, either head or tail. Number of tosses, so 3 tosses. So therefore total possible outcomes, so 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times. So 2 to 4 to 8. So total possible outcomes 8. Question number 6th. Given 5 flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other? So there are 2 flags. So each signal requires the use of 2 flags. So total number of flags 5. Now number of ways to fill upper vacant place. So there are 5 flags. So number of ways 5. Now remaining flags 4. So number of ways to fill lower vacant place. So there are 4 ways. So total ways 5 into 4 equal 20. So number of ways to fill upper vacant place, so equal 5. Similarly, number of ways to fill lower vacant place, so equal 4. So total ways, so 5 into 4 equal 20. So there are 20 ways.